What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Mikey from JDM Icon here. Before we start today's video, I just want to mention the store is now live, so feel free to check it out. We have a bunch of cool stuff from infinity mirrors, motion peakers, new decals. I honestly feel the designs we came out with for this drop is probably one of our best. Josh did an amazing job with designing a lot of things. I just gave some inspiration, some ideas, but it's all him. And while you're at it, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe down below, as it really helps out the channel and it helps you guys get notified every time we upload a video too. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Z's, because this is actually something I've been getting asked this a lot recently. What exhaust do I have on my Z? I've said this a few times in a bunch of videos. For some reason, I didn't actually upload a video on this solely as a comparison from a stock 350Z exhaust to a Muffler Delete. And conveniently, I have two Z's, one being mine with the Muffler Delete, and my mom's right here having a completely bone stock exhaust. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the two sounds, and mine just being a Muffler Delete with the rest of the exhaust being completely stock. So for starting a new car enthusiast, just in case you guys don't know what a Muffler Delete is, I'm gonna go ahead and explain it to you guys. It's really simple. It's literally taking off your factory muffler and replacing the muffler with a straight pipe. It's not a straight pipe exhaust, but you're just removing and deleting the muffler, hence it's called the Muffler Delete. Honestly, any muffler shop can probably help you guys out. For me, it was under $100 to get the whole thing done, and I think it sounds really good. It's not overbearing yet. Just in case you guys need to visualize it, this is my mom's car. I do apologize, all our cars are dirty. But as you can see here, this is the stock exhaust. It is massive. So as you can see here, the 350Z is a dual tip. Mine is a single. That's just a preference. You can have a Muffler Delete that's dual if you like, but I just prefer a single. So as you can see right there, that's where the exhaust connects, and you can see how big this rear muffler actually is. And if you go over to mine, you'll be able to see the huge difference. Yeah, that's the Muffler Delete. It's really rusty because it's an old pipe, but literally that's all it is. It bolts onto the same spot, and that's actually the OEM muffler flange, I believe. But the guy at the muffler shop literally just welded this whole pipe here, and I bought this tip from Canadian Tire, or AutoZone for you Americans. Yeah, that's basically it. We're going to be comparing some cold starts, some revs, just so you guys can get a good understanding of how the cars sound like. First things first, both cars are decently cold. They've been parked for about an hour, hour and a half. So it's not super cold, but it's not like warm either. So I will put you guys here, and let's start the stock. So as you guys can see, this is a stock 350Z with the muffler. Yeah, it's a stock car, it's nothing special. In just a bit, I'll show you guys why I feel this mod is super underrated for a lot of you car enthusiasts that are just new getting into the scene, or don't have a lot of money to mod your car, and you don't want to spend like $700, $800, $900 on an exhaust. This is a perfect alternative in my opinion. So as you guys can tell, the Muffler Delete is a lot louder, and on idle you can kind of hear that this exhaust actually sounds a lot deeper as opposed to the stock one. Yeah, you can barely hear this one now. So this looks so much better as opposed to my driveway. So now that we have my car out, I'm gonna go ahead and compare some revs from the Muffler Delete and the stock exhaust. To be completely honest, I actually like the sound of this Muffler Delete more than most exhausts that I've heard on Z's. It's quiet when you want it, yet loud, and it sounds good when you need it. And another thing to consider about muffler deletes is I've never gotten a ticket for this exhaust. Depending on what car you have, deleting your muffler could actually be legal and not get you any tickets as opposed to a full aftermarket exhaust. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? There's like no one here. Oh, don't get stuck here. Don't get stuck. Gas, gas. Get out of there, baby! Let's go. Oh. I love my Z. I love my Z so much. Just as a little comparison from what I heard comparing the stock Z muffler compared to the muffler delete, you can hear a lot more intake noise with this, which is kind of cool. I can hear like the air being sucked into the engine. Both cars do have stock intakes. If you want an exhaust that's louder and in my opinion sounds a lot better, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, I would highly recommend the muffler delete. The stock sounding Z exhaust isn't that bad. It's nothing to be proud of, but for a stock car, you do get some decent engine sounds and induction sounds from a stock Z. Obviously, that sounds could be improved, it could be better. Even though it doesn't help the performance of the car that much, it's still nice to have, especially for the driver. If you're someone like me and enjoys listening to the sounds of their car, that's something that can really be a huge difference as opposed to driving a completely bone stock quiet car. And again, this mod can be done to any car. It doesn't have to be a Z, it doesn't have to be a Nissan or a cool car. You could do this on your Ford Focus, you can do this on a Toyota Prius. It's honestly up to you. It's super cheap, and sometimes it's fun to play around with a cheap car. I'm not saying the Zs are cheap, but I'm just saying sometimes it's fun to do this on your daily if you are a car enthusiast and you want to make your car a little bit more fun and enjoyable to drive every day. Guys, this is just an example that you don't need the best camera equipment to make YouTube videos. This is my tripod for the day. I was literally just shooting the car and I just brought this piece of this 2x4 with me. It's literally like part of a tree stump. Jeez, it's crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna have to end the video here since it's gonna be getting dark pretty soon. Stay tuned and subscribe for more content. Again, check out the store. It is now live. Right now I am wearing the Bring the Streets of Tokyo home. This is my favorite hoodie. I've been actually wearing it for a couple of days because it's my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.